Hi everybody, my name is Dave Marsh. I'd like to welcome you to this OneHome tutorial. And today we're going to take a look at how to use AI images to search for properties. Now before we begin, I'd first like to mention that because each MLS may have slightly different requirements, the portal that we'll be using during this tutorial may differ slightly from the one that you're currently working with. Nevertheless, the functionality is the same, and for the most part, whatever you see during this tutorial, you'll easily recognize in your own portal. Now, for anyone who's ever come across a property that wasn't quite the right fit, but did have key elements that you loved, OneHome's AI Images allows you to highlight those features by finding other properties with similar characteristics. And you can do this in a couple of different ways. The first is by selecting any property from your collection, and then select its photo gallery. And it's from here that you're able to view all of the images belonging to this property. Now, if you find that any of the photos contain a feature or element that you're interested in, you'll notice on hovering an option to search for other properties with a similar look. And you'll also find that same option by selecting the thumbnail and viewing the full image. So from here, because I really like the look of this fireplace, I'm going to do an image search for properties that align with this kind of design. And from the new browser window that opens, you'll notice the 209 results that all share a similar style to the fireplace photo we just selected. And from here, I'm now able to further refine my search by drawing a map shape to isolate just the matching fireplaces in this area. And I'm also able to narrow the results by using any of my custom search criteria, like price range, and the number of bedrooms, leaving just 23 properties with the fireplace style that I might be interested in. Now you may remember, I mentioned earlier there are two methods of doing an AI image search, and the second is by uploading saved images that you may have found on your own. To do this, you're going to select the camera icon, and it's from here that the AI analyzes each of the images that you upload, then finds properties that match any of their key features and attributes. Alright, so with my fireplace image already added from earlier, let's go ahead and upload two additional photos of my ideal exterior and ideal bathtub style. And I can do this either by dragging and dropping the images from a desktop folder, or by selecting my images from the file manager. And for anyone using the mobile version of OneHome, you have the option of either selecting your images from an existing gallery or capturing your photos in real time. But regardless of which method I choose, you'll notice that when I apply my selections, the results perfectly capture the characteristics of my uploaded images, including properties with a similar exterior and properties with a similar looking bathtub. Alright, well this concludes this OneHome tutorial. I'd like to thank you for watching and hope that you can join me for another session. Take care.